Yeah,
we got the porta potty if we gotta go out here. Don't stop in front of that.
I think we just passed it.
No, don't say that. Oh my God, it's stopping here. No, it says the road's closed.
It's not.
Oh my God, no, the road is closed. Hello.
Hey.
Welcome to the house of Valentina on the road, because clearly we are not at home. We are in the car right now, and we are headed to an undisclosed location, unknown to myself.
But known to me.
Yeah. Do you want to explain the birthday surprise that you've prepared?
Do you want to start with how much you love surprises?
So there's something that you guys may not know about me, and that is that I hate surprises. I hate them.
She hates waiting to give them. She buys you a gift, you're probably going to get it the day she buys it. Not on your birthday.
Mm-hmm.
And if she finds out you have a gift for her, no, you do not wait.
Just don't. No.
She
Don't
doesn't
tell
like
me
surprises.
you. No, I hate surprises. I just don't like them.
So when I said the words, these few key words today, I have a surprise for you, and you're going to need
Off-roading.
Off-roading.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So apparently wherever we're going, I can't go in a heel. So I'm wearing boots. Flat boots.
Oh.
All right. So we're going to take you along for the birthday surprise, whatever that is, and hope that this works out. And if not,
then we have video proof.
I will kill my husband.
That's the last time I'll ever try this.
All right. Let's go.
Hit the road.
How far to where we...
13 miles.
We're driving 26 more minutes?
Yes. 26 minutes away from Whole Foods.
But you said it was close.
Where do I turn?
I don't know where we're going. It says the road's closed.
It's not.
Oh my God, no, the road is closed. The road is actually closed. I don't think you're allowed here. That's not funny.
Yeah, I am allowed here.
Oh my God, you're still doing it. Okay, we are officially driving down the closed road.
They're doing construction, it's fine.
This is not fine.
We're in an SUV.
This is not an off-roading SUV here. No one thought that ever about an Audi.
Yeah,
We got the porta potty if we gotta go out here. I am not going in a porta potty.
It's a community bathroom.
No.
It's fine.
Is there an actual road somewhere around here? That, please don't stop in front of that.
I think we just passed it.
No, don't say that. Oh my God, it's stopping here. Guys, this is not made up. This is not. This is for real. This is happening. Now, things are looking brighter already. I'm just gonna say that this little entrance is very cute. Oh, it's got a hammock. Things are starting to look up. Oh, we weren't in the front. Okay, you ready? Okay, this is super cute. You guys are getting to see it before me. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, wait till you see it.
Oh my
It's so cute.
You got us a tiny house?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Isn't it amazing?
We're staying at a tiny house.
Tiny house.
It's so cool. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it so cute?
Yes. Look at how cute this garden is. And look at the way the sun is coming through. So pretty. Look at the sun flare. All right. Did you get us in?
I got us in.
Okay. Do I get to see it first?
You do.
Yay! Okay, you take this. This is so cool. No way. This is so cool. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I love this. Oh my gosh.
my gosh.
My voice is like 10,000 octaves too high. I'm just so excited.
It's so cute.
I love this. This is so cute. I can't believe it.
It's really cute.
Oh my gosh, look, they even have your little diffuser in here.
You do have my diffuser.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to look around really fast, and then we're going to give you a full tour. Let's go look real quick, and then we'll come back, okay? Let's go see. Oh, look at the tiny fridge. It's shorter than me.
Everything is scaled for you.
Is this what the refrigerator feels like to other people?
Yes.
Oh my god, it's so cute. This looks like the one we had in Spain. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute pink rug and look at the teal cabinets. Okay, is this a real toilet? Because that would be better than the porta potty that's out there. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. Oh, it's a composting toilet? I feel like we're one of those van people.
Oh my god.
That's so fun.
We're van people.
Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't even want to think about how we're going to use that. Is this open? No, that's locked. Let's go upstairs. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at these handmade cups.
Oh my gosh, those are awesome.
I love these. Oh my god, this is the coolest place ever. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my gosh.
It's really fun.
Oh my gosh, let's go upstairs. This is so cool. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at the little horse print and the plants. Look at the little print. Okay, so is this how everybody else feels?
Oh my god.
This is the cutest thing ever. Can
Hold
you
on.
see it?
Hold on.
Grandpa's knees don't want to bend.
To lower me down with a rope.
Oh my. This is so cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
It is so
And you've got
charming.
the coolest view out the window. This is so cool.
It's really fun.
All right, let's give them a full tour, okay?
Awesome, yes.
A proper tour of the whole place.
Just so I can make it look more authentic.
I thought it looked pretty authentic.
I've been to African markets. I've been all over the place, and nothing is making me. By the way, I'm not crazy about heights.
Hey, you picked it, Bubba. This is hilarious. Oh my god, you look so cool in this place. This is so neat.
I love this.
Oh my gosh. Hi from up here. Wow, this is so cool, Jack.
This is real concrete.
This is so cool. Baby, I got to pee so bad. Can you just let me pee before we start this tour?
Yes, go compost away.
You are not. You're not filming this. Stay out. I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm so scared.
I'm gonna go stand outside and see if it falls to the floor.
No, stop it. You made me pee my pants. Get out. I don't know where I'm supposed to pee.
What are you, 4 years old again?
There's 2 sections to the toilet, and it says I'm supposed to use a cup.
Like one of these?
Oh my god. Okay, we're doing this, people. I did it! I used my first composting toilet. I feel so proud.
It's cool. There's a waterfall heading out of the thing now.
Stop it. I know you're teasing me. I don't know where it goes, and I don't want to know.
I don't know. Compost. You plant flowers in it later.
That's what it says on the toilet.
Are you serious?
Back up. Let's give these guys a tour. Okay. First of all, let's answer 2 questions that you're all dying to know. It's not a porta potty. It is a composting toilet, and I have now survived. So we're good on the toilet situation. Number 2, the place comes with Wi-Fi.
Yay!
All the important things are covered. Everything else is negotiable. Look at how cute this is. They've done this beautiful live edge piece of wood here that acts as a dining area, and you could absolutely be sitting here working. We should have brought our computers. We could have worked.
I know.
Look at how cute this is. It got roasted apples candle. That smells really good. And they've got their cute plants. And it's so adorable. It's got a chic boho feel in here, and I am totally digging it. Over here, we've got the living area. Let's go that way. Oh, this is so cute. This is the perfect size for two. I love it. And I love the pinks and the greens and these blues. And this is such a cute horse picture. We are literally out in horse country. So totally appropriate, very modern, so chic. I absolutely love this. And they've got this cute little blanket. I love everything they've done. It's so cute.
They did a really good job.
Isn't it adorable?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys are dying to see the kitchen. Let's go check out the kitchen. They put down the cutest rug here. How adorable is this? And it's so smart. It's so clever. They've used all of this under stair storage. Look, there's a closet.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, look, and we even have an iron and a laundry basket. We're not staying that long, but if we did, there's plenty of glasses. You've got 8 glasses. You were worried they wouldn't have champagne glasses, but they have little wine glasses here. Look at the kettle. It's so cute.
Oh, that's really,
I love the cork, and it's matte black.
Oh, one of those.
That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Everything they've got here is so adorable. I just want to show you. If you want to make your own coffee,
nice
little pour over. They've got these gorgeous little bowls. Oh, they're handmade. How cute is that? And then we've got a microwave, the refrigerator, and grilling tools, which I think is cool because you can actually make things outside. We got this. Over here, we have the rest of the kitchen. The kitchen is so cute. I cannot believe they made us fresh bread. Oh my gosh. And a bottle of wine. Look at the little fern. These are living plants. This is so cute. The concrete countertops. I am so jealous of this.
Mm-hmm.
We had these in Denmark, and it's one of my favorite design features.
I love those countertops.
Look at the leather pools. These may be IKEA cabinets. I think maybe I've seen, I know for sure the pools are.
I love the gloss on them.
I love how you've got, oh, it's so organized. It's so cute. Look at how cute it is. You've got cleaning supplies.
She did a great job.
And everything is here that you need. This is ridiculously cute. And then you've got an area if you want to cook. You've got the eye here. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. Ah, it's all so cute. And I think these are from Denmark, aren't they?
They look like that.
Yeah, I love this. Back here is just as you guys remember. Oh look, it's a little concrete little thing. Isn't that so cute?
That's really cute.
Okay, so look at how you've got the perfect sink in here. It fits right in, and you've got fully functioning plumbing in here. And the little pink towels and the baskets. It's efficient, but so perfectly styled. I love it. Little white waffle shower curtain. This is so cute.
It's so cute.
I
And
love
you've got this, like,
Look at the view. Look
beautiful
at
view out
that
the window.
View. Unbelievable. We're literally watching the sunset behind those trees. It's so cool. As you look up to where the bed is, she's got the cutest little lamp. They've done this cute little removable. I think this is maybe removable wallpaper or just some wallpaper. And then I love the little gray, brownish kind of tones in here. And then you come up here. Look at how they used a pipe, the railing. So let's go look up here. This whole place is about as cute as it can be. But before the sun sets, I really want to show you guys outside. So let's go out to the garden. Out here, she has the cutest garden set up. Got this really awesome fire pit. Got chairs, wood that's already cut. This is so fun. And I just love the fact that she brought the concrete out here and her color palette. It's adorable. And the hammock is just calling me. I don't know if I'm coordinated enough to do this. Okay. Okay, I can do it. Best birthday ever. And look at her cute pots leading you up into the house. I love it.
And I love the color of the outside.
I do too. I do too. Well, I don't know about you, but I am ready to unpack our groceries. Are you ready to unpack the groceries?
Yes, let's
okay.
do it.
Let's unpack our groceries and make ourselves at home.
Yay!
Yay! Look at how cute this is. Oh.
Hey,
Oh my gosh.
what is
Yeah.
your birthday? You get the first one.
It's always my favorite food. Absolutely. Picked right from Whole Foods. Happy birthday to me.
I know, it's your favorite.
I love these. I'd rather have this than cake. I hope that you guys enjoyed getting to hang out with us for a bit, getting to see this tour of this amazing tiny house. And if you have enjoyed this, I will definitely leave a link down below because I want you guys to be able to find this place and rent it.
Yeah, definitely.
The homeowners are so
They're
sweet.
so sweet and amazing.
Yeah,
Amazing people.
you guys, this is an amazing place to escape the city for a day or come and stay for a week and just get away from it all. It's amazing. So I hope that you've enjoyed it. I know that we have, and we are looking forward to spending the night here and just getting to enjoy the place.
Yeah. Make sure you also hit subscribe and visit us over on Instagram because we have so many projects. This girl is so busy. Every time I walk past her office, she's working on some other project. So there's
That's
so
probably
much.
a little bit true.
There's so much stuff coming right now.
That's
and
true.
we have so many exciting videos coming your way. So make sure you subscribe.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you in the next one.
Yay.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Oh, sweet girl.
Thank you. I can't believe you did all this.
I know, you're so sweet.
I'm gonna cry. I can't
Oh,
believe it.
You're so sweet.
This was like the sweetest thing you've ever done. Thank you. Thank you. You already have this piping out fragrance?
I know, it's like they know I'm
Like
coming.
they know you. Okay, are you guys ready to see how cute this is? I know my excitement just, was amazing. But here we have this beautiful live edge. Oh my God. Did you really almost
I almost
fall
fell
out?
out.
Oh my God.
Remember that time Jack went to the tiny house and died?
Please don't break your back.
I made it down those death stairs over there, but I'm gonna fall off the deck.
All right, let's try that again.
Try it again. There we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
To many more years with you. You're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I'm serious. I hope I get many, many more of these birthdays to surprise you.
Well, if you do this, I would say there's a likelihood of it.
I'll start planning it now.